Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So in today's unboxing video and demo showcase, we're going to showcase the Govee LED Wi-Fi backlight strip that's used for your TV. And I got a version that is long enough to cover my 50-inch TV. So we'll be showcasing that backlight and how that works with the app and the remote control a little bit later on. And of course, I'll have a link in the video description if you're interested in getting a similar LED solution for your TV entertainment system or similar application. So it comes in the box. There's not much to it. It's very basic. So let's go ahead and open this guy and see what's inside. So here we have a basic thank you. Here's just a Govee card with some information. Okay. And then we have the key points of installation. So it's just a real basic how to get started card. Basically, clean your surface, apply the strip, and then tear apart the adhesive, and you can apply it, and so on and so forth. So we'll go over that a little bit later once I get it all sorted out. Here's the Govee user manual. So pretty basic. And then inside the box we have the actual LED strip. So let's go ahead and see what this guy looks like. And it comes on a reel. Okay, cool. So we'll test this out a little bit later. We have some additional clips. So these can be used to help with tying your strip to the back of your TV with the clips. So make it nice and neat. We also have the USB cable with the remote control here. So you have your power. Looks like a brightness, and I think this might be for changing the colors. You have your alcohol prep pad, and then here in this last box we have, I believe, oops, let me just open this, guys. Here we have a USB wall wart if you don't have a USB port available on your TV. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and clean up the back of my TV, get everything connected, and then we'll continue with the rest of this video and see how cool this looks. Let's do this. Alright, so let's do this. So what we have here is I have my TV set up. I have attached the LED lights to the back of the TV. There's 4 strips and they're all detachable with plugs. So I put the long ends on the top and the bottom, short ends on left and right, and then I added the remote control and stuck that to the back of the TV. So to help save some time, I've already downloaded the Govee app. And once you install the app, sign up for an account and turn on your Bluetooth and search for your device in the app. And once you've done that, you can give it a name. So here's my tablet here. I have called as TV Backlight. So there's an on and off button, so I can say on, and it'll turn on in the background there. And then if I go into the app here, it'll connect through Bluetooth. You can also set up the Wi-Fi settings as well through a profile. You can have different things you can do, like you can set up the timer, you can set up the brightness. There's a DIY mode, so set up your own scenes, for example, your own presets. There is a music mode, so you have music on, it'll sort of vibrate or change colors according to the music, for example. There's a color mode, so you can select different colors. So let me just get the tablet out of the way, and I say if I want to select like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, turquoise, purple. It's just all different colors that I can basically change through, which is pretty cool here. There's also a scene mode. So in the scenes mode, basically there's more presets. So here, I'll just sort of read it off. There's a movie mode, so I'm going to turn that on. There is a dating mode, apparently. There's a candlelight mode. There's a romantic mode. There's a breathe mode, apparently. There's a blinking mode. And then there's an energetic mode. So what I'm going to do is I have the lights on behind this camera. Let me turn off the lights in the living room here, and you might be able to see the lights a little bit better. What I've also done is I've also hooked the Govee app into Alexa. So if you're familiar with Alexa, you can use like an Echo Dot, for example, which I have. You can basically go into your...
I don't have an opinion on that.
Oops. You can go into your Alexa app, and then you can add the Govee skill and you're good to go. If you use Google Home, very similarly, you can add the Govee app through the Google Home app and use it that way, or through your Google Home device, which I don't have. So I have Alexa in the background, so if I say Alexa, turn off TV backlight. Well, I didn't hear me. Let me try one more time. Alexa, turn off TV backlight.
Okay.
Here we go. Alexa, turn on TV backlight.
Okay.
Alexa, turn TV backlight to red.
Okay.
So you get the idea. So there's a lot of different commands you can set. You can tell your Alexa or Google to adjust the brightness, the dimness, on and off, the color. So there's a lot of different commands, and it's all in the app if you get confused or forgot the different commands there. So that's today's video unboxing and video demo of the Govee WiFi LED light strip backlight for your TV. If you have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.